Hi, I'm Julie. Welcome to Reed Life, where we share our experiences at home with autism, traveling, and living a gluten-free life. Today I want to talk to you about one of the ways I go about planning meals for the week. Let me start out by saying I like eating good food, fresh food, but I don't necessarily enjoy cooking. I also stay busy, so I need meals that are quick and easy, but also a plan that makes it easy to shop, prep, and then cook those meals. This is where the Fresh 20 comes in. This is not a sponsored video. We do purchase and use the Fresh 20 subscription plan ourselves. The Fresh 20 is a subscription meal plan service with a very simple concept. They send you a plan for 5 dinner meals each week that can be made using 20 fresh ingredients. You get a complete shopping list, a weekly prep plan that has suggestions of things that you can do at the start of the week to make getting the meals on the table easier throughout the week. If you complete that weekly prep, it should take you about 20 minutes each night to cook your dinner. And I found that to be true. If I do the weekly prep, I can get dinner on the table pretty quick and easy. So the Fresh 20 offers several different meal plans to suit different tastes and needs. They offer a classic plan, paleo, gluten-free, vegetarian, and vegan plans. And something that I think is pretty unique for a meal planning service, they also offer a plan for one, which is great if you're a single person looking for help with your meal planning. The main meal plans are each designed to provide 4 servings and are easy to adjust if maybe you need to feed a larger family or you want additional leftovers. The Fresh 20 is web-based, so you can access your meal plan and shopping list from your computer, tablet, or smartphone, or if you prefer, you can even print them out. I typically will access them on my iPad, which works well for me because it's big enough to read, and it's still portable if I want to take it with me when I go shopping. So I like to use it on my iPad. We actually have an all access plan, so I'm able to choose between all 6 different plans to find out which plan has the most appealing selections for the week. Plus I have access to all of the archives for all of the plans. So if nothing looks appealing this week, I can go into the archives and have plenty more to choose from. So the meals are often similar between the plans, but may have a twist. So for example, one may have a quiche where another may have an omelet made using the same basic ingredients. Now, because Bella and I do eat 100% gluten-free, I typically use either the gluten-free or paleo meal plans. So to give you an example of what the meals sound like that they give you on a weekly basis, on our menu this week, which we chose from the gluten-free plan, we have included on Monday a chicken paprikash with green beans and mashed yams. Tuesday, salmon potato cakes with spaghetti squash and greens. Wednesday is a pasta carbonara with green beans. And Thursday is a shepherd's pot pie with a side salad. And Friday is a tomato mushroom bake. And there is typically one vegetarian meal provided out of your 5 meals each week. Which is nice if you want to do, say, a meatless Monday or just are trying to incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet. So we're going to give these meals a try. I definitely am looking forward to them. They sound like they're going to be delicious. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a grocery haul and a cooking and review of these meals. Perhaps one of these weeks going forward, I can go ahead and do that for you. So the Fresh 20 is an annual subscription service with a cost of $79 per plan per year. Now, as I mentioned before, we actually have an all access plan, which allows us to access all 6 meal plans, plus all of the archives. And it also includes several ebooks, which include topics like lunches, Thanksgiving, and a 16-week dairy-free meal plan, as well as some additional surprises bundled in, some cheat sheets and substitution guides, which I think is great. So the cost of the all access pass is $129, which I think is a great value if you are thinking of going with the Fresh 20 plans, because you literally get access to everything. So we really like using the Fresh 20 plans. I like that we're cooking and eating with fresh ingredients. I don't have to buy a crazy amount of ingredients and spend hours in the kitchen. And the food goes beyond your basic chickens, burgers, and casseroles, which I have found seem to be staples on some of the other meal subscription plans that are available out there. If you want to get more fresh ingredients on your plates without spending all of your time in the grocery store and all of your additional time cooking, I definitely recommend giving the Fresh 20 a try. If you're interested in trying the Fresh 20, I will put a link in the description box. Again, it's not sponsored. It's just a link to get you there quickly and easily. They have a free sample plan that you can download, and you can try out any of the different meal plans that they provide. And again, that is a free download. So 2 questions for you. 1, have you tried using the Fresh 20? And if so, how do you like it? And 2, do you use another meal plan service that you love, or a subscription or app that you think I should try? Because let me tell you, I need all of the help I can get. So I definitely want to thank you for watching today. If you like this type of content and would enjoy seeing more, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate all the support. See you next time.